Ako po si Felix Marauda, DTF operator ng Honjet dito sa Robinson, Novaliches. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit na may 63 meters kaming nairun dito as of this week. Ito po ang heads. Ito po ang capping, 90% working. Head clean. Nasa ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system namin ay tama lang. This ink nalinis nung Friday. Ground wire. Ito po yung use ink. Unused ink, cleaning solution, film, powder. Ito po ang inventory. Consumable, nakagamit tayo this week ng isang white, isang film at isang powder. Ito naman po yung nagamit sa sayan, sa black. Cleaning solution, film, magenta, yellow, powder. Ito po yung workload. Ito po yung daily maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.